Ciao and welcome back to my channel. It's Chiara, and today's video I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful infinity scarf. It's a super easy and fast project, and I think it's a really good idea for this Christmas. For this project I use champagne. You can find more information in the info box below, and we work with the 6.5 millimeters hook. To begin your project we are going to start by making chain. So first of all you want to create your slip knot, and then I'm going to chain 34. Work into the fourth chain from hook, and we're going to do a V-stitch. V-stitch is 1 double crochet, 1 chain and 1 double crochet. And this is the first V-stitch. Skip 2 chain, and in the third we work another V-stitch. V-stitch, 1 double crochet, 1 chain and 1 double crochet again. Skip 2 again and another V-stitch. So just keep doing the same now until the end of this row. For the second row, chain 3 is the first double crochet, chain 3 and turn your work. And now we are going to do 1 V-stitch into the chain space into each V-stitch of the previous row. Remember, there's no chain or anything in between the V-stitch. So just keep doing the same now until the end of this row. Make the last V-stitch into the 1 chain space, and 1 double crochet in the third chain to complete this row. Chain 3 and turn your work. And doing the same, 1 V-stitch into the V-stitch of the previous row, and in the next, no chain or anything between the V-stitch, but we work into the V-stitch. Now repeat this last row. Look, V-stitch over, so don't work between the V-stitch, and repeat the last row and go ahead until the end of the skein. Now my scarf is complete. Look, I love these beautiful shades of green, and now my scarf is 200 centimeters long and 24 centimeters wide. Now you can leave the scarf like that or sew it to make an infinity scarf. I prefer to close it, so I fold the two ends together and sew them. Be careful to take both stitches. Use the same yarn needle to hide the yarn. The infinity scarf is now complete, and it's a great beginner project, like for your very first project, so great for beginners. I think it's a really good gift idea for this Christmas because it's super easy and very fast to make. So I hope you enjoyed this video tutorial. Let me know in the comments. So thank you for watching, stay warm, and I'll see you in the next video. Ciao!